Hey everyone, my name is Lacora and I'm going to show you how to create a GIF or animated photo using Canva. And you're probably like, well, girl, what is all this right here? Can we talk about that? Or maybe you're not. I don't know. But if you are inquiring and you want me to do it, leave a comment below. All right. In the meantime, I'll take that off. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean when I say an animated GIF, what it looks like. All right. I did this. Oh, and just to show you, yes, that is a talk show. I highlight Christians in the entertainment business. It's called The Yes Show, Young, Entertaining, and Saved. So the first GIF is actually for an interview. I was supposed to have a young lady on the show named Kaylin Carr. This is what it looks like. Very simple, right? It bounces, okay, not bad, not bad. So if you're like, okay, I kind of want something like that, yeah, that's what we'll be doing today, okay? So it bounces. You could use it on your Instagram, your Facebook, or something like this. I did this for my mom. Okay. You can add music to it too. I don't have any music. And then, so what we're going to do, we're going to look at this. This is the example that we're going to do. That's Anita Baker. Yes, it is. Okay. So let me share my screen and we're going to get right into it. All right. Once you have Canva, you upload your photos, or you could use photos that they have. I'm going to use the same photo. I'm going to use Anita Baker. All right. Boom. And then I'm going to add a birthday hat to her. Now that's a little too big for Anita. So we're going to make it smaller. That's still too big. That looks like the dunce hat. Y'all remember that? Okay, so yeah, she looks so cute. You could even tilt it. Like, let's say we wanted to make her look a little cooler, or a little tipsy at a little party or something. We could do something like that, right? We could change the background color. And Canva is so cool that they give you colors that are already in the picture. Okay, so I think that's cool. So we're going to use that purple, but that purple just isn't doing it for me. So we're going to go to backgrounds here. And these are the gradients. And of course, they have different backgrounds. So if you want to use a landscape and put Anita in the middle of a desert, close to the sun, or maybe some lemon slices or watermelon slices in yellow, it's total, or something abstract like this. Okay, but I'm going to go with a simple gradient in purple. Let's see all. Okay, I like you. Now I'm going to add a simple text. I think the text before was love you. Love you. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to put it in black. And then I'm going to move it just like that. We also had some cake in the mix, I believe. Let's see. So we go to elements here and you simply put cake. I think this was the cake. I think this was the cake. We're going to change that color. And there was one more element. Oh, there was a man wearing a mask. Him. Let's bring him on. Okay. And the thing is, you could flip them if you want it. Flip them vertical or horizontal. Canva is really, really good. And I believe it's a woman that owns this company, and she is now a billionaire. Kudos to her. So now we have the picture. You have your design. You want to animate it. Okay. So you see where it says neon? It's going to start with none, and then you'll see, do you want to animate it? Okay, it'll have animate. So it's always on none, but then these are the free options. Block, you see, that's kind of blah. No wonder it's called block, because it's blah. Fade isn't bad. Pan, there's one that's not bad. Rise. Okay, Tumble. I like Tumble. Some may say that's too much, but all of those are free. Here are the ones that are extra. See, that pops. Baseline. Pop, that's nice. Neon, I really like Neon. And then, oh, but Scrapbook is so cute. I think I like, let's do Scrapbook. But Neon is cute. Okay, so we'll do Neon. Ugh, I don't know, because that's so cute. We're going to go with Neon. You see it's 5 seconds long. Let's just go ahead and download it right now. And that is it. It's going to download as an MP4, or you have an option, you know, a GIF, short clip, no sound. I always do MP4 because I'm just used to having videos for whatever reason. So MP4 is what I normally, that's my go-to. I download it and it's very simple. It takes about 5 seconds to download because this is a larger file. It's an MP4, but still, this is like one of the smallest video files. So once you have it downloaded, you have it on your computer, you could upload it to your Facebook. And that is basically it. So I'm going to stop my screen share. Boop. And then here is our GIF. Okay. And it's so simple. It's so easy. Please give me a thumbs up. Please hit notification. I'm going to start doing more videos on my page instead of my talk show page. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope it was easy. And for the young lady who requested this video, I hope this worked out for you, sis. Remember, if y'all want me to add this, oh, child, that was a slow. If y'all want me to do this, then make sure you leave a comment below. All right, I'm really out. Peace out. Do we say peace out? No, we don't do that. Let me put my fingers away. Yeah, okay.